That's a great topic to talk about, and I would like to thank you for this topic. Well, one of the quintessential tourist attractions in Canada that I highly recommend is Banff National Park, located in the breathtaking Canadian Rockies. Nestled in the province of Alberta, Banff National Park sprawls across 6,641 square kilometers of pristine wilderness. The park encompasses iconic towns like Banff and Lake Louise, making it easily accessible from Calgary and providing a gateway to the wonders of the Rockies. Banff National Park is a haven for nature enthusiasts, offering a plethora of awe-inspiring landscapes and outdoor activities. Visitors can marvel at turquoise glacial lakes. The park is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, providing opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and wildlife viewing. The Icefields Parkway, a scenic drive through the heart of the Rockies, offers panoramic views of glacier, waterfalls, and towering peaks. I would recommend it because Banff National Park encapsulates the raw beauty of the Canadian Rockies, showcasing the diverse and pristine wilderness that Canada is renowned for. The park's well-preserved ecosystems, including alpine meadows, glacier, and dense forests, provide a unique opportunity for visitors to immerse themselves in nature. Moreover, the range of activities caters to various interests, from serene walks along turquoise lakes to heart-pounding adventures on mountain trails. The cultural and historical significance of the area makes Banff National Park a holistic and enriching destination.